Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are just testing that M-Port View 3 10-in-1 multifunction USB docking station test video on my OnePlus 7T. Okay, and this is my Protonix Toad 1 mic, and I'm going to turn on and change settings to 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, now it is on 2.4 gigahertz, and you can see here this is my USB stick. I'm removing this. Okay, here's the stick, and there is no additional settings need, like go to settings, turn on the OTG cable. That is does not need on my OnePlus 7T. So I'm just connecting this one to one of the USB port. You can see here it is a little bit tight. Okay, it is suitable for 3-4 easy connections, and there is a pop-up that configure keyboard. You can see here it is working, and you can see my mouse pointer. Actually it is working on a paper. You can see here it's working. Oh my god, it's working. So guys, it's very easy and it is working. You can see here it's working, and this video is come from that Protonix M-Port View 3 10-in-1 multifunction USB docking station is working on Android, and I'll show you which Android version I'm using. About device, you can see here it is running on Android version 12. So it is working, guys. That's it. Okay guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.